This is what we're going to make today. It's a shelf that holds the cones of thread for my wife's long arm quilting machine, and it just, it allows you to be able to sort by colors. And like, this is all our polyester thread, and here's some cotton thread down here. You can see all the available colors that you've got all at one time, which saves you some time. And it looks nice on the wall. All right, let's get down to the shop and get started. So here's all the wood that I need, and I've got them cut according to the plan here, and this will be on just in the description, just in case you're interested. I mean, this is very specific to the size I want, so I don't know how helpful it would be to you, but I'll have it in the description of the video. These are all 3 inches, so that's the width of a cone, pretty much. And so I've got, these are my 2 side pieces, and this is the top and the bottom. These are the inside shelves, and then this is a piece that goes at the top, kind of as a brace. So let me go ahead and get this marked, and then we'll start putting it together. And then I've got both of my boards butted together, and so I'm going to mark across them, and what that does is it ensures that I've got them the same on both pieces. So this is a very easy project, and so it'll only take a moment or two to get it all put together. And I'm lining it up. I've got a piece of masonite on the top of my bench here, and I'm lining it up on the edge of it so that it helps me to get it square. And then I'm just going to glue and nail all the joints. All right, I've got it all finished. This is the back I've got up right now, and I'm going to put on a coat of amber shellac. Probably put 2 coats of this on there just to seal it. It dries really fast. It's one of my favorite finishes. So I'm going to get this put on the back, and then I'll flip it over and do the front. These are the hangers that I'm using to put this thing on the wall. And I recessed them a little bit so that the screws wouldn't scratch the wall. I just routed this out with a router. But they've got screws that go up in there. I actually used some longer screws than these. They're probably about that long, so they get a little bit more purchase up in there. But you need something substantial to hold this rack up. I'll put a link to these in the description if you're interested in them. All right, that's got it on the wall. I've got some heavy-duty hangers up here at the top to hold it, because this thing's going to have some weight to it once you get all the thread on it. And my wife's already got some of the thread sorted on here and ready to go. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.